coming to Bill4Time from a new system and want to track your starting balances, this tutorial will walk you through that process. First, make sure to add your clients and projects in the system first. Once this is completed, you can now add in your starting balances. Open a new time entry and fill in your client, project, activity, and enter in a description, like previous balance. Change the date back to a prior month before coming into the program, then change the entry type from hourly work to flat fee work. No amount of time is needed, and then enter in the balance the client owed prior to the switch in the flat fee amount box. Once you are finished, click Save and Duplicate. Doing this will keep most of the information you need filled in already. Then change the client, project, choose the entry type again, and then enter in the amount. Do the same process for each client that had a prior balance. Once you've completed this, you can now invoice these entries. The reason you want to invoice these items is so the next time you create an invoice in the system, it will recognize them as a prior balance. And then so once you receive payments, you can apply it to the invoices as if the time was originally invoiced in the software. Go to Invoicing and then create an invoice. You can make your start date, billing through date, and invoice date all the same as the date you used for entering those prior balance entries. Then choose all of the clients in the list, enter a description just so you know what this batch was for, and click Save. Here you can check the boxes next to all of the invoices to the left, and then click the Finalize button to the right. This will then finalize all of them in the system, and you have completed the process of entering your starting balances. You can now go through to add your actual time in the system. Then when you make a new invoice, this prior balance will be reflected properly. Let's say the client had a prior credit. You can enter this in by going to the Accounting and clicking on Balance Adjustment. Here you can choose your client, enter in the amount, again backdate the date, and change the type from a debit to credit. You can enter in a note here and click Save once finished. This will then allow you to apply it to an invoice later on. Thank you for watching the starting balance tutorial, and continue watching for the next quick tip video.